An ultimate wireless solution for your audio, DJI Mic. Let's review that. What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin, you're watching No Limits On channel. So right now I'm recording internally with DJI Mic right there, probably you can see this, and let's get to the kit. So in the kit we have two little wind muffs which are pretty nice and they are working with twist lock mechanism, so they are not falling away, but you cannot store the microphones themselves inside of this charging case with the wind muffs. You have to remove those. Also here we have a TRS cable, pretty regular one, and let me say pretty short one. Also the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Also this little adapter which is allowing you to put it onto your hot shoe or cold shoe of your camera. And let me say it's a little flimsy to be honest, so I'm not really sure about this. And also we get a very nice bag. You can store this charging case and all of the accessories in this bag, plus some lavalier mics which are not included in the kit unfortunately. Pretty cool bag. And the charging case itself. It's made out of plastic, but it's a bit rubberized. You have the USB Type-C charging right there, and also you can store here some accessories. Let me say two transmitters. One is right here, the one is right here, and also the receiver. There is a place for this little cold shoe adapter. You can store it right there as well. And also two adapters for your iPhone and the USB-C adapter to use this kit with your iPhone straight away, or with your Android device, or even with a laptop like I show you here. You can plug it in straight to your MacBook. I didn't test it with Windows, but I think it will work, and you can use it for instance for Zoom calls or something, which is great. So what are the competitors today? So here I have the Rode Wireless Go first generation, but basically the second generation has the same exact size, and as you can see they're pretty different. The DJI is much smaller and even slimmer, which is great. And also we are comparing it today with Sennheiser ew100 G3 system, which is just huge compared to this one. It has no built-in battery, no built-in recording, nothing, but it's a very nice and pretty reliable system which a lot of musicians use and professional videographers as well. And I own this for like, I don't know, 5 years or more. So now let's compare the built-in microphone qualities of Rode and DJI, and then with lavalier mics with Sennheiser and Sennheiser Lav, and also the Airy mic, pretty cheap lavalier mic with those two wireless systems, Rode and DJI. And also let's have a look at the range test. It will be pretty interesting, so enjoy. So guys, now I'm using the DJI microphone right here on my chest without any lavalier mics, just the built-in microphone. So now I'm testing out the Rode Wireless Go first generation, no external lavalier microphone, just the built-in mic, and let's check the sound. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, he's vomiting on a sweater already, mouth spaghetti, he's nervous. But on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opened his mouth but the words won't come out, he's joking how. And now it's time for the range test of the DJI microphone. I'll be going that way and sometimes I'll be turning around, but also I'm recording internally, so we can actually restore the sound if it clips or if it loses the signal. So let's start the test. So I'm turning like this and I'm starting walking. So let's start with about 15 to maybe 20 meters. Let me say right here. So I'm turning right now with this tree. It's a line of sight as you can see guys. And 1, 2, 3, mic check, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm turning once again and I'm going to this place. So the trees are somewhere there. We're testing out the signal quality, and probably, let's say right here will be enough. I cannot even see my camera. Yeah guys, I'm right here. It's around 30 meters, probably 35 meters. 1, 2, 3, mic check, and I'm with my back, so my body is blocking the sound. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And I'll go further, still with my back towards the camera. I'll go to this little tree. So here I am. Probably you cannot even see me right now. It's more than 50 meters, but it says that it's more than 250 meters. So I can barely see my camera. It's around 80 meters, maybe closer to 90. And it's more than enough, I think, for this test. So, Rode Wireless Go. Let's go. So first point will be right there. I'm turning with my back towards the receiver and probably blocking the signal. And now let's check if the signal is okay. So right here is about 15 meters, 1, 2, 3, mic check. And let's get further. So now it will be around 30 meters away. 1, 2, 3, mic check. Rode Wireless Go has no built-in recording capabilities, so it's only about the strength of the signal. And if you lose it, you lost everything. So right now it's about 30 meters. I'm right here standing under this beautiful tree, and 1, 2, 3, mic check, 1, 2, 3, mic check. So going a little bit farther, how do you say it? Now I'm still blocking the signal, 50 meters. So I'm right here, guys. Hope you can still hear me and see me. 1, 2, 3, mic check. 1, 2, 3, mic check. So guys, as you can probably hear me, I hope so, it's around 90 meters without blocking the signal with my body. And now I can still hear the signal. So this was the test of Rode Wireless Go first generation. And guys, finally I'm using Sennheiser ew100 G3 system, which is pretty big, as you can see probably. It's right there. And also with the Sennheiser lavalier microphone, because you cannot use this system without any lavalier microphone. And now let's check the range of it. I think it will be at a big range. So the receiver is in my camera, the transmitter is right here on my back pocket. So I'm right here blocking the signal with my body, as you can see, and I hope it's still working perfectly. You know, this Sennheiser G3 system is outstanding. So I think it's more than 100 meters and I hope it's still working. I'm blocking it with my body. And guys, since we're testing out the lavalier microphone of Sennheiser, let's compare it to lavalier mic, which I reviewed before right there. ew100 lavalier mic, which is pretty cheap, but I really like the sound quality of it. So 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check. So now we're using DJI mic with lavalier microphone from ew100. 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check. So now we're using the ew100 lavalier mic with Rode Wireless Go. 1, 2, 3 mic check, 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 1, 2, 3 mic check. So guys, you saw the results. I think you did your own conclusions, and I think that DJI is doing a very nice job in terms of distance. I'm really satisfied. I don't think I'll be using this system further than those 50 to 70 meters that are pretty okay with the system if you have a straight line of sight. So I'm pretty satisfied with the results, guys. And also you can use this system with your iPhone like so. So let's have a look at the test and let's listen if it has some frequency issues and some, you know, hissing and so on. So the iPhone test. So now guys, I'm using the Mic Pro app with DJI Mic through the adapter straight into my iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're checking out the sound quality. The levels are pretty okay in my opinion, so it's not too loud, not too quiet. And do you like the sound? 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check. And now I'm using the standard camera app in video mode and we're checking out the sound quality. +6 I have the gain on my receiver, and the same I had with the Mic Pro app, and just adjusted the volume level, the input level in the app. How do you like the sound? 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check. And now guys, I'm still using my iPhone, kind of imitating some kind of lecture or something, so I'm pretty far away from the phone. And also I didn't turn on the airplane mode, so probably the cellular issues and waves, they can occur in this situation, so we're checking this part of things as well. So I'm now at the windiest part of my backyard, and as you can probably hear, the wind muff, which is right there, is working perfectly well, I hope so. So yeah, it's pretty windy right there, and if I put it off, you'll definitely hear some wind, but we're testing if it's working or not. Well, it's not that windy, but it's a decent wind. And guys, this is how it sounds without any microphone, so built-in mic of iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's not as windy here on my balcony, but I think it sounds okay. So guys, as you can hear, with DJI microphone we get less ambient noise and a bit better sound quality than with the built-in microphone of the iPhone. And now let's get to the internal recording. You can use this device separately without even the receiver, only the transmitter. And if you do record internally, you have around 15 hours of recording time, and also you have WAV files of 24 bits and 48 kilohertz. Just have some notes here. And it's a very simple plug-and-play solution, so you simply plug this in with the USB Type-C cable to your computer and it shows up as a folder, and you can straight away download the files and work with those. So you have a little headphone jack right here, and it's a great thing to have, but unfortunately when you plug in the headphones to this port or to your camera headphones port, you get a little bit of lag, like half a second probably, and it's a bit irritating. Rode Wireless Go don't have this issue. You can hear almost in the same time as people say something. You can hear it straight in your headphones. With this one you get a little bit of a delay, which is really annoying, to be honest. I hope they can fix it with the firmware, but maybe not. One more issue with those transmitters is that you cannot plug in the lavalier mics with lock-in mechanism. You can actually plug those in, but they can be easily removed, and it's not a secure connection at all. So be careful with those. And if you have only the lock-in mechanisms lavalier mics, which are most of the time pretty expensive, you'll have some issues with those. So just use the straight plug and play ones, or you have to consider a different system. It is what it is. So also guys, you have an ability to use the safety track feature only in mono mode, so it will have -6 dB different tracks. So the left channel will be a good one, a regular one, and the other one will be -6 dB, kind of a safety track feature, which is a nice addition. And now guys, let's have a look at the battery test. So we're testing and comparing it to Rode Wireless Go first generation, but keep in mind guys that I've been using those lavalier microphones and wireless system for around a year and a half, so they can have a bit less battery life. But also it says that it has a pretty good battery life on the DJI system, so let's check it out. And now about the charging time. So if you run out of batteries from 0 to 100, you can charge this receiver for 160 minutes, which is a lot. It's more than 2 hours. And you can charge the transmitter for around 70 minutes, a bit more than an hour, which is pretty good. But considering the time of charging of the receiver, it's a pretty long time, guys. So keep that in mind and be careful. Probably you have to charge it and keep it in the case while the breaks or the dinner or something. Both the outputs and the headphone outputs, the female outputs, are unbalanced. So this is one more thing to consider. Also, this system has a high pass filter of 150 Hz and the range of from 50 Hz to 20 kHz. Pretty regular numbers, to be honest. The built-in microphone is omnidirectional, which is pretty regular and okay. It's a condenser microphone and it has an SPL rating of 114 dB. And one more pretty cool thing, guys, is that we have this little magnet which can be attached right here. It's a very strong one, so you can basically put this underneath your shirt and having only this little magnet outside, which is great. And speaking about putting this one to the shirt, as you can see, I have a pretty bright green and red light. So the green light is showing the connection status, and also the red light is showing that we're recording internally to the transmitter. And it's pretty bright, so be careful with that so you're not distracting your audience from the person which is in the frame. And also I really do like the menu system and the touch capabilities of this little device. It's very straightforward, pretty easy to understand and to navigate, and all in all, it's a much better solution than simply 1 or 2 buttons on the body like we have here on the Rode Wireless Go. Actually, we have only 1 button right here and also a couple of buttons right there, 1, 2, 3 buttons, and that's it. So it's a much more convenient way to use a system like this. And finally, guys, the price for this little beauty is from $300 to $320 depending on where you buy it. On B&H it's $320, and it's a pretty reasonable price, to be honest. Rode Wireless Go 2, when it was launching, it had the price point of $300, but it has no charging case, and of course you had to separately charge each device. So 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, 3 separate USB-C cables, which is not that convenient, to be honest. And also the app of the Rode Wireless Go, Rode Central app if I'm not mistaken, it's very complicated and it's not that easy to use as this plug-and-play DJI system. So I would go for DJI. I'm pretty satisfied with the results, and if you have a good set of lavalier microphones and you do monitor the audio through the headphone jack, you'll be more than okay and fine, and it's a killer thing for interviews and for run and gun stuff. So I really highly recommend this product. So guys, tell me please in the comments what's your favorite wireless system for recording audio with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Probably I didn't see and didn't try out some other systems, so all of your thoughts down below. If you did enjoy this video, please smash the like and subscribe buttons at the same my videos and hit the notifications bell. Here are a couple of videos for you to watch next. My name is Olek Nikitin, No Limits On channel. See you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.